Hello friends, let us see some points regarding Poisson's distribution. What is a Poisson distribution? In statistical, a Poisson distribution is a probability distribution that is used how many times an event is likely to occur over a specified period. In other words, it is a count distribution. Poisson distributions are often used to understand independent events that occur at a constant rate within a given interval of time. It was named after French mathematician Simon Denis Poisson. The Poisson distribution is a discrete function, meaning that the variable can only take a specific values in a list. Put differently, the variable cannot take all values in any continuous range. For the Poisson distribution, the variable can only take whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. with no fractions or decimals. Understanding the Poisson distribution. A Poisson distribution can be used to estimate how likely it is that something will happen x number of times. For example, if the average number of people who buy cheeseburgers from a fast food chain on a Friday night at a single restaurant location is 200. A Poisson distribution can answer questions such as what is probability that more than 300 people will buy burgers. The application of the Poisson distribution thereby enables managers to introduce optimal scheduling system that would not work with, say, a normal distribution. Formula for Poisson distribution: f of x is equals to lambda to the power x e to the power lambda divided by x factorial. The Poisson distribution in finance. The Poisson distribution is also commonly used to model financial count data where the tally is small and is often zero. As one example, in finance, it can be used to model the number of trades that a typical investor will make in a given day, which can be 0 or 1 or 2, etc. As another example, this model can be used to predict the number of shocks to the market that will occur in a given time period, say over a decade. When should the Poisson distribution be used? The Poisson distribution is best applied to statistical analysis when the variable in question is a count variable. For instance, how many times x based on one or more explanatory variables. For instance, to estimate how many defective products will come off an assembly line given different inputs. What is assumptions does Poisson distribution make? In order for a Poisson distribution to be accurate, all events are independent of each other. The rate of events through time is constant and events cannot occur simultaneously. Moreover, the mean and variance will be equal to one another. Thank you one and all.